My dad is Rich Lowry, patient of Dr. Sullivan. He wouldn't look people in the eye, he wouldn't smile. Things to do with people, just really, he avoided them.
I really had frowned lines. I didn't have smile lines anymore. That with hiding the failed tooth made it miserable in life.
My dad took a picture of his teeth and I showed him to Sully, and he said, "I want to do that right now." And it was, you could see the passion in his eyes that he really did want to help.
Yeah, I was frightened. Without a little bit of pushing and a little bit of faith in this journey, I wouldn't have done it. I would have just continued on and had probably wanted misery instead of wanted this. I just could not do it. I just could not do it.
He had his full extraction, and he had 10 implants placed, all in one day.
I'll be able to look at somebody and talk to them and then smile about it.
But I think the best thing that I can say about the whole thing, about just the person that showed up in November to the person that's leaving today, is night and day.
You know, it's kind of a success story here now. It's, for me, it really is.
Today was a pretty awesome day. We had the opportunity to finally restore Mr. Lowry, and it's been kind of a long time coming. Almost a year ago, Justin, who works with Dentsply Sirona, came to me and said, "Hey, I want to do something for my dad." He kind of told me their story a little bit, how his dad had kind of gone through some times and was missing a lot of teeth. I actually logged into Sarek Doctors and found another Sirona user in Houston who took a cone beam for me, didn't charge Mr. Lowry a dime, and we were able to get the cone beam data. At that point, we could see kind of what we were working with and start to plan the case. Fast forward a couple months later, Mr. Lowry actually flew in from Houston, and at that point we had planned out, so we already knew what implants we were going to be using, healing abutments, all that sort of thing. We did one day, we sedated him, and from start to finish we took out the rest of the teeth. We did the bone reduction, and we placed 4 implants in the lower and 6 implants in the top. I was really impressed with how the implants did, how they healed, minimal bone loss. Now we're at 6 and 7 months, and so today was the delivery, and really it was a piece of cake from start to finish. What's great about it today is actually, once we seeded it to him, we were able to give him an apple, and he was able to take a big chunk out of the apple. We were super grateful and thankful to be a part, and so excited for Mr. Lowry.